Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the apps and notifications, then special app access, and then install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. It could be like, let's pick for example Chrome, and then just tap allow from this source, and now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you want. You can do the same thing to the other apps from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.